Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Rohit Kothari,
Author of.
the technical terror.
So sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It feels amazing. Like this is my debut for the World Book Fair, and it
Right.
feels to be amazing over here. Like with the book
Right.
that's been published already. So yeah, it feels
And-
wonderful. The book is all about how the AI devices are getting into our lives, and they are losing we are losing the human touch and human emotions and human connections. We are getting exposed to the social media, and we are getting ourselves to a risky world, a risky job. And the other side also in the book is like it is all about how the national security of ours is getting compromised because we are getting so overexposed that everywhere everything is there on the media on the website.
Exactly.
So this is the need of the hour. So this is what the book is all about. It's been woven into a beautiful story, a fictional story.
Exactly.
So it gives you an idea. It's not a technical jargon. It's not about only technical people can read it. It's for everyone.
Right.
It's for every age group. So yeah, it is all about that.
And something like AI only runs on all the information you feed it and the data you give it. So our information and our privacy is also at stake here, right?
Absolutely, like that. Likewise, I told you, if you depend on AI for that also, so like your information is there on the website and it's there, you are prone to scams and frauds and everything.
Exactly.
So there is nobody to blame. It is us to be blamed. So the lesser the use of technology for all the things, it's better for us and for everyone in the entire world.
Exactly.
That's what it's
At the risk of our safety, we go for like convenience and all that. It's wonderful that you wrote a book that you're warning people about this. Thank you so much for sharing your experience
Thank
with
you.
us. I
Thank
hope you
you.
have a wonderful book.
Thank you. Same here.
so much.
Pleasure meeting you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
so much.